What up? We're just here recording this little session. Me and Milan here, he's gonna help me out. We pretty much went out to the Home Depot and we ended up buying some supplies. Get this paint stripping gel for stripping the paint. What we're gonna do is we're gonna brush it off with this brush, all the little crevices, everything, slowly. Let it sit for like, I don't know, half hour. Soak it with water, apply it again, half hour, soak it with water. Just kind of try to clean it up as much as possible. Take the probably like 2-3 layers of paint that I had put on there. Some of it's already, obviously, as you can see here, it's already kind of flaking off. So I ended up buying some high temp ceramic coating to apply as a base, since obviously this is gonna get hot. And then we'll use this this multi-purpose for textures. You can use it on, let's see if it'll focus. Works on metal, wood, and more. So it's obviously a metal surface. So we're gonna use this as a primer, and then this actual is a color, which is kind of like a camel tan, but it has actually has like a texture to it, kind of reminds me of the wrinkle paint finish on the valve cover. Let's see if I can focus on it. There it is. So it has not a wrinkle finish, but I guess kind of a wrinkle finish effect. I don't know, we'll see. But it'll match the color of the car, a camel tan color. I'm gonna put this on the actual car. I'm gonna install it. What are you doing? What are you doing, silly one? I'm gonna install it in the car and then mock everything up with the AN lines and the catch can itself. Try to mock everything before I actually like install it. So I'll probably strip it. I won't paint the valve cover first. I'm gonna strip it, get it really clean, and then mock everything up. And then after everything's mocked up and lined up, I'm gonna end up painting the valve cover. So this is just the beginning of this process, so I'll record little by little as I'm applying the stripper and all that. What are you doing, silly one? Over throwing frisbees and stuff, silly one. Alright, let's go apply the paint stripper. Silly one. There it is. Just applied one coat so far of this stuff with a tooth. Oh my god. So there it is. Let it sit for 30 minutes, I think. That's what it says of it. So yeah, it says after 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, up to 24 hours, scrape the small area. And it should be all good. So we'll let it sit for a little bit, scrape some of it off, and then we'll check it out later. Maybe apply another coat. So here's the valve cover all cleaned up. Took the other paint off of it, kind of ground off some of the remaining paint, and took it to work and just cleaned it up a little bit. It's all nice and all metallic now, all metal, aluminum look. So I'm gonna just spray paint it with the high temp black paint, and then the textured paint with the camel tan color. For now, it's just this for now. I'll show the end result, but for now I'm gonna just mock it up, put in the, take off my actual valve cover off, this one right here, and put that one on so I can mock up the AN lines and see where I'm gonna mount the breather box, the actual catch can, should I say. So this is the other catch can that I have with these two hoses, which run straight in there, that are attached to the back of the block, and the other ones are obviously gonna come from the front here, straight in, and then somewhere either here or over there. I figured it out, because I know the other intake I have a velocity stack that runs around here, out this headlight exit here. So I'm gonna see if I can maybe mount it around here, but if not, I'm gonna have to figure something out around that area. We'll figure it out. So there it is, the NRG Innovations catch can. Sounds like it's full of oil or moisture, whatever the heck, but I haven't emptied this thing out for a while. You can see some rust there. Old catch can filters. So decent amount of room in here, so I might fit mount it somewhere in here. So here's the catch can here. There's a size difference here. 2 ports, 4 ports, so it's a decently sized difference there. There you go. So pretty much here's the valve cover, unpainted so far. Just put it on. It's not bolted down or nothing, just to mock it up. Pretty much got these lines all cut up and then to length, so I could put the breather box right here. So this is kind of like the base of the bottom of the actual breather box. use one of the stock location bolts. So here's pretty sturdy here, so it doesn't bend that much. I do want to make something maybe wider next time, but for now it's just temporary right now. This is the original hold down for the top. So obviously this is gonna go right here like so. Obviously the all the hoses just pretty much go on here, goes in there, goes in the bottom. One of these go on the bottom, this one on the top. So obviously these I still gotta bolt up to the back of the block. This is gonna be my hold down here, so I'm gonna use the pretty much. Let me take this box out real quick, just give an idea of what it's gonna be like. So this is obviously gonna go there, then this is gonna be my bottom base here, like, which I'm gonna just put it up like that. Obviously this stud is gonna stick out the other side, so, and then I'm gonna have the actual bracket, like this bracket sit on top like so. So pretty much have it like that. Let me see if I could put it down real quick. Let me see here. So there's a small example of what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna have this go in like that. Lift it up. So this stud is obviously gonna go there. For now, I'm just kind of showing you real quick. That's gonna go there. It's gonna be a hold down. It's gonna be held down by that. And that should be pretty much. So I'll record more once I've bolted down and everything. But for now, as long as I got all these cut to length, the actual hoses, all 4 hoses, 2 from the valve cover here, and then 2 from the back of the block there. So I'll show the end product, and then also I'm gonna paint this probably tomorrow and just show you guys the finished product. Would you look at that? This little access hole, should I say, for the velocity stack actually works out for this stud here. Lines up pretty well to get this this one stud to tighten the actual top brace here. This one, just get it from here. This one, there's no access part, so look at that. It worked out. So there it is, all tightened up, nice and sturdy, ain't going nowhere. The lines are all tied up. Might just zip tie this a little bit closer to this together here, just to keep it away from the exhaust manifold right there. So zip tie it there, maybe zip tie them down here, just to get them closer together. And like I said, all I gotta do is paint this, and the back side is done. I installed the ports, can't see them, but they're back there, and everything worked out good. So here's the stock intake. The only thing is I can't run the velocity stack with this airbox. So my plan is for autocross, I'm just gonna run this for now, and later I want to do drag racing. I want to see. So pretty much later I just want to run a velocity stack when I actually set up like a 2 catch can setup, like a cylinder shaped catch cans, instead of this whole box catch can setup right now. So I just bought this as a kit. So this is just a start for this. Here's the stock intake. I mean, I could maybe mock up like a cold air intake to go straight down there, but it'd be close though. Still, whatever, it is what it is. We're just gonna do autocross with this setup with a short ram intake. Not breaking the record, just gonna go out there and try to have some fun. I'm gonna try to get this painted by tomorrow, and then button everything up, and then start the car up. And there's the first coat right here. First coat of primer. I'm gonna put like probably 2-3 more coats. And then we'll finish it off with the paint. There's the 3rd and last coat of the primer. Letting it dry up a little bit, and then I'm going to apply the actual paint. 3 coats of the paint. It's the first coat of the paint so far. There's the last coat. Just gonna let it dry up. There it is, all dried up. So I'm gonna probably paint the letters black with a brush and then bolt it on, and then I'll take another video. Here's a video, the old stock looking color, black. So there is the final product. I might do the letters black with touch up paint. These letters too. You can see it's got the little wrinkle finish like the OE Honda valve cover paint jobs, I guess you could say. Trying to see a closer shot. It's kind of cool. It's got like black speckles and white speckles. You can see it's pretty cool. I like it. Came out pretty decent. Not too bad. For sure. So there's the finished product all tied down. So tied down, it's nice and sturdy. It ain't going nowhere. 2 lines going to the valve cover, nice and tight. And the other 2 going to the back of the block down there. So they just loop around and get to the back of the block. So yeah, this will do for this video. So probably in a couple of days we're gonna go auto crossing. So I pretty much just got this done last minute. But just been busy with work and busy around the house, doing stuff around the house, and pretty much have to. Only thing I do is just air up my tires, which are some Falcons, which I use for autocross. I gotta air them up, make sure they got a decent amount of air, lower the car down, and double check. Bring some tools and just pack up tomorrow, I think, after work. And it's my son's 5th birthday tomorrow, so he's turning 5 years old already. I just remember the old videos I used to post on here a while back. He was barely like 10 or 11 months old. Now he's 5-year-old, so we're gonna. My hair's all jacked. What the hell? Oh, it's been laying underneath the car and tightening up the. I need a haircut too. So, anyways, so yeah, tomorrow we're gonna go celebrate his birthday. I work, but I'm gonna. After work, we're gonna go out and celebrate his birthday. It's kind of raining. Gonna rain throughout the day, but we're gonna go out, eat his favorite restaurant, Red Robin, and just gonna finish up this car after we come home. He goes to sleep around 10 o'clock and be up the next morning and hopefully get some footage of the autocross action here, since we haven't done autocrossing in freaking, I don't know, 3-4 years. So it's definitely gonna be a good time. But like I said, I'll see you guys next time on the next video, hopefully autocrossing. But this is just a quick walkthrough how I did the valve cover and the catch can setup. So I'll see you guys after this video, probably hopefully in a week, just the autocross footage and having some fun. Hopefully it shows it might rain, but if it doesn't, if it does, whatever, until next one. But if it doesn't, we'll have some fun. Till next time, see you guys.